Okay, so we've been taking out the top table, a lot of the railings, removed the big front screen here, and we're just starting to prime. You can see the difference here, white primer, and we got to do these rolling doors today and around these front windows. And we painted that one little patch, and we're going to paint this whole front section today, I hope.
All in wrist. Wrist up, down. Wrist, all in wrist. Up, down, long stroke. Very good. Up, down. No, look me, look fence.
And ceiling as well. Got the light covers off. And then we can finish this patch in the floor and paint the floor before we put the other flooring down. And I think we'll just see if we can't move all the way along and get the ceiling and these cabinets, and just so we can speed up some of this process. So anyway, we'll continue along here. These plastic end caps, they get really brittle, and I'd rather take them off, but they do serve some sort of purpose here for a track, but I don't know. Maybe I'll just go with this one, although that needs to be replaced. It would leave my wall cleaner. I can take that right off the wall. So I'll think about that one as I go. But first, I'm going to do all this front section, and hopefully it'll brighten it right up. I wish I had those opera windows up here that some on this year had, especially right here. And boy, that would be nice to brighten everything up, but this is what we got to work with, so we'll see how it looks when we're done. Okay, you can see that half, it's got its first coat of primer on it. This half does not. So you see the dark and the yellow, but man, getting in all them little cracks is tough. I might go with a spray paint for that final stage of that one. But it's getting there. Looking a lot brighter than that dark, gross yellow. Another thing I'm doing, you see this sort of a aluminum valance here, and we just took it off this side. So that went on there like so. You know, it's aluminum, you can see, and all it has is a rail for your curtains. Well, those are just hang down straight curtains anyway, and we're more likely going to go with the roller, which are these brackets. And we want to try and come up with some kind of new window covering. Don't particularly care for these, and it's just extra weight for nothing, and it makes painting very difficult. So we got rid of that one, and I'm about to take off this one too. And the other problem is, this is old plastic, all this 70s plastic. It is so brittle, it just crumbles away. So that's all going to come off too, and we'll get a little smoother look, I'm hoping. And that's what we're using. Kills odorless primer, oil based, stain blocker, and the whole thing was rinsed down first with Zep citrus degreaser. And I'm using Manor Hall. I've had great success with this paint. It's mostly one coat, although I'll do more in here. Manor Hall PPG, and it's eggshell bright white. So coat number one. There we go. Sir, I have to do another coat. A little worried about these tambour doors. Keep lifting them up after I paint them, because you want to get in the sides there, because there's always a line. And then when you tuck the paint in there, of course, it wants to jam in the track, so you have to keep moving them while they're drying. All right. Well, we finished painting the Airstream. There's our nice, oh, sorry, bright white door, which hopefully one day will be covered in stickers from all the parks. We got, so it was one coat of the Kills primer, after orange citrus degreaser, rubbing down the whole thing. And now we got a nice, bright, clean workspace to work with.
Very good, Daniel-san.
So this is making me very happy. And then I can set the floor in, and then I get to start building some cabinets. Looking forward to that. I got some lights coming, but actually not for those. I'm going to put them in here, take out these older ones. So, and we got the front out of there. So a piece of black plexiglass slide down in there, and I just have to put a coat on this. This is just primered, this one so far. Wasn't sure if I'm going to keep that door or not, so I didn't spend too much time on it. And there you go. So, not too hard. 2 coats of quality paint after 1 coat of the Kills. And okay, so we've been taking out the top table a lot. Next we're going to be working on this window frame, which we have off, and we've got some new felts for in the slides here, and we're going to show you how to do those, because that's going to make a big difference for letting in bugs. And I'm going to try and polish it up as aluminum, I'm thinking. I might end up painting it, I don't know. I just thought it would be kind of a neat contrast to have the aluminum, seeing as I couldn't get any aluminum in here where I would have liked it. I'll see if I can't polish that window frame. I don't know if I'll do it to all of them or not. And I wasn't going to do the bathroom, but I think I will. Now that I have some extra paint, I'm going to do that yellow part up top. It's all like a plastic. So we'll get that all painted up nice and bright and white too. Alright. And that's it. So that's one of those tedious jobs you got to get finished so you can get at everything else you want to do. It's nice to do that first, because as you can see, you're going to spill all sorts of paint, so it's definitely better to do the walls first. Okay. Alright, well, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. We really appreciate that. Any comments, anything you've tried and used, we'd love to hear from you. Looking forward to the next time. See you again. Thanks very much. Bye-bye. God bless.